In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export my customers from QuickBooks. By the end, you'll have a clean customer list you can open in a spreadsheet or use to import into another tool. You'll need access to your QuickBooks Online company and permission to export data. If you're not an admin, make sure your role allows exports. Start by opening your web browser and signing in to QuickBooks Online. Once you land on the main dashboard, look toward the top right corner for the gear icon, which opens Settings. Click that to reveal the menu. This is where QuickBooks groups a lot of company and data tools, so it's the quickest way to find export options without digging through multiple pages. In the Settings menu, select Export Data. It typically appears under the Tools section. If you don't see it, you might need to widen your window, scroll the menu, or confirm that your user permissions allow exporting. After you click Export Data, you'll land on the export screen that organizes what you can send out of QuickBooks. Here, the goal is to export only your customers. QuickBooks may show multiple export categories, such as reports and various lists. Deselect everything you don't want to include, and leave only customers turned on. Take a second to double check that no other boxes are selected, so you don't end up with extra tabs or reports in your export file. Keeping just customers makes the file smaller, cleaner, and easier to work with. When you're ready, click Export. QuickBooks will prepare the file and your browser should start a download automatically. Depending on your browser settings, you may be asked where to save it, or it might go straight to your Downloads folder. The export is usually an Excel or CSV file. If nothing downloads, look for a blocked pop-up notification in your browser and allow the download from QuickBooks, then try again. Once the file is saved, open it to verify the contents. You should see your customer list with columns like display name, company, email, phone, and billing address. If anything looks outdated, you can update the customer details back in QuickBooks and repeat the export for a refreshed file. That way, you always have the most accurate version ready to share or import. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. Handle the exported file carefully since it contains customer information, store it in a secure location, and consider renaming it with today's date so it's easy to find later. That's it! Your customers are now exported from QuickBooks and ready to use wherever you need them.